everyone, once again welcome to Bina's Rasoi. Today's recipe is one of the most popular South Indian curry, that is sambar. So let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 cup tur dal. Now before cooking this dal, I am just going to soak this dal for at least half an hour so that our dal is properly cooked. Now over here I have already cooked the dal with at least 2 whistles. We need not to give more whistle, otherwise our dal will get smashed. The veggies I have taken half cup tomato chopped, 2 brinjals cut in cubic, half cup carrot, half cup red pumpkin, 2 drumstick, 1 onion sliced and 1 onion cut into cubics. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. To the oil I am going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, which is also known as methi seeds. The moment it starts spluttering, I am going to add at least 10 to 12 of curry leaves. The more you add curry leaves, it gives nice flavor. And then the 2 green chilies which I have slit, 2 whole red chilies, and finally goes is half teaspoon of asafoetida, which is also known as hing, and I'm just going to stir it for 2 minutes. Now it's 2 minutes done. So to this I'm going to add the onion which I have slit. And I'm just going to give a toss for 2 minutes. We need not to make it golden brown. This all has to be done on the medium flame. So now our onions are cooked. And to this I'm going to add the tomatoes. And again I'm going to give a toss for another 2 minutes. Now over here our tomatoes are nicely cooked. So I am going to add all the veggies to the mixture and I am going to stir it upside down. Now over here you must have seen that I have added all raw vegetables. I have not cooked the vegetables because if you cook the vegetables, all the flavor will go. So over here directly you need to add raw vegetables so that you will have a very nice flavor to your sambar. Just keep stirring for 2 minutes to the mixture in this way. Now it's almost 2 minutes done. So over here I'm going to add salt as per taste. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, that is Kashmiri chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of sambar masala. Any kind of brand you can use. Now I am going to mix all the veggies in the masala and keep stirring it for 5 minutes so that a masala is properly applied to all the vegetables. You can see it's already giving a nice flavor. So over here the masala has been done. You can see it's well and nicely coated. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. You can even use whole tamarind, but tamarind is a must because this gives a nice tangy flavor to the sambar. And with this I'm going to add 1 whole cup of water. And after adding the water, we are going to stir it for 2 minutes. And after that we are going to cover it with the lid and let it get cooked itself for at least 15 to 20 minutes on the high flame. Now our veggies have been cooked. So to this I am going to add the onions which I have cut in cubes. This also gives a nice flavor to the sambar, and a little of jaggery, say 1 teaspoon of jaggery for little sweetness. Again I am going to give a stir. And with this, finally comes the dal which we are going to add. And here is the dal which I am going to add to the sambar. It's really giving a very nice aroma. I'm going to mix this well upside down. So even you can just try this sambar at home. This will really taste like a restaurant style. Now it's almost 10 minutes. Sambar has started boiling. You can see the consistency of the sambar dal. It's not thick, it's proper. Over here you need only to adjust with the salt, and if you want more sweetness you can add more of jaggery. Finally I have garnished with the coriander leaves, and this will make a perfect sambar for you and your family. So here is a South Indian style sambar which is ready to serve. So our sambar is ready. This sambar will go with idli, mendu vada, and even with the plain rice. So if you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.